Welcome to this video guide on how to improve your flexibility, even if you consider yourself to be inflexible. Being flexible has many benefits, such as reducing the risk of injuries, improving posture, and enhancing athletic performance. However, it can be challenging to know where to start if you're not flexible. In this video, we'll provide some tips and exercises to help you get started on your flexibility journey. Stretch regularly. Stretching is the most obvious way to improve your flexibility. If you're not used to stretching, start by doing it for 5 to 10 minutes each day. Stretching helps lengthen your muscles, which can lead to increased flexibility. Some effective stretches include hamstring stretches, quadricep stretches, and calf stretches. Practice yoga. Yoga is an excellent way to improve flexibility, balance, and strength. Many yoga poses focus on stretching and lengthening the muscles. If you're new to yoga, start with beginner-level classes or follow online videos for beginners. Over time, you'll build strength and flexibility. Foam rolling. Foam rolling is a form of self-massage that can help reduce muscle tension and improve flexibility. It involves using a foam roller to apply pressure to specific areas of your body, such as your calves, hamstrings, or back. Foam rolling can be uncomfortable at first, but it can be an effective way to improve flexibility. Incorporate dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretching involves movements that mimic those in your workout or sport. It's a more active form of stretching that can help improve flexibility, especially if you're looking to increase your range of motion in a particular exercise. Some examples of dynamic stretches include walking lunges, leg swings, and high knees. Consistency is key. Improving flexibility takes time and consistent effort. Don't expect to become flexible overnight. Make stretching or yoga a regular part of your routine and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your sessions. With consistent practice, you'll notice improvements in your flexibility over time. Conclusion. In summary, improving your flexibility is achievable, even if you're not naturally flexible. Incorporating stretching, yoga, foam rolling, dynamic stretching, and consistency can help you achieve your flexibility goals. Remember to start slowly, be patient with yourself, and listen to your body. With time and effort, you'll be on your way to becoming more flexible and reaping the benefits that come with it. Thanks for watching.